Hey, this is certainly not the most ideal conditions. Despite how scary this may seem, I think we stand a chance. See, I have built us many pieces of machinery to help us against the fire prism. My favorite of which being the new airplanes I built all around the island. Why not go ahead and try them out? Well done! I must say, for a looper, you were quite good at flying planes. And now you'll be able to avoid any seismic activity from that prism. Wow, it's chilly outside, huh? Well, the cars have some built-in heaters, so why not give them a spin? While you're at it, go ahead and test out my new vehicle mods. Oh my, you were quite reckless on the road, huh? Well, good job, I suppose. Hey, so, I don't know how to say this, but I'm leaving. For a bit, not for good. I'm gonna try and get some outside help. I haven't really gotten a good look at the outside yet, so I'm gonna build a rocket to scout out where to look. Okay, I vow to return, loopers. Farewell, for now. Okay, I vow to return, loopers. Farewell, for now. Oh my, the world out here is so beautiful. Lots of ice. Looper, I found the coordinates of some nearby planets, but I might have forgotten to send the coordinates to the rocket. So, do you think you can collect the coordinates and send them over? Thank you. Alright, so that was a interesting voyage, and I have good news and bad news. Bad news is nobody is willing to help out. I personally don't know why anybody would be intimidated fighting a giant fire prism, but the good news is they did give us some advice to, combat it. I'm gonna build a device that will force the prism to release the energy it collected from the router. And if it all works, the prism should have no power, just like before. Then, y'all can figure it out, right? I know it's not a lot to work with, but it's something. And we really need something right now. So help me collect some building pieces to help me build a fortified base to keep it, safe. Thank you a lot for helping me out. It means a lot. Alright, that's great. Thank you. Man, I don't know what I would do without you guys. Thank you very much. Hey, construction's going great. I'm just gonna need a couple more building pieces. You know what to do. Alright, wow, this is overkill, but thank you. Do you like the new place? I still don't feel confident. That prism, it's stronger than I thought it was. And, well, I mean, you've seen what's happening. I don't know what's gonna happen, and I'm genuinely worried. Um, Go ahead and speak to the other villagers. Warn them, because, well, if my seismic readings are accurate, things are about to get ugly. Hey, I know I've said this before, and it's not very helpful right now, but thank you for helping me out. It's been tough these last few months without him, and, you know, it's good to know I'm not going solo, you know? I really appreciate it. No matter what happens after, all of this, just know that I really appreciate what you guys have done for not just me, but for the island. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side. My friend.